All right, what's up, everybody? I wanted to go over my trades for today and Top Step account. So this morning, I got in on this first imbalance after 7 o'clock. I mean, you kind of got one right here. I marked them both, but I was just kind of chopping around on this one. And I was really liking these highs right here. And I did see all these lows down here, these smooth lows. But I'm really kind of bearish on the daily chart, right? So figured we go up, take some highs before we come down. So kind of got in here with small size, and I started adding as we were dug down into these down close candles. Added one more, and then took it into these highs right through there. And my actual target was and also in the direction of the gap. So my actual target was this bottom wick of this up close candle right here, which was not a bad target. That came in nice at the opening bell. Then I had a little scalp right here using the bottom of this up close candle as we have buy side delivery, as it's changing the state and the sell side delivery. I wanted this opening price of this candle. Small size. Got stopped out once, and then once this candle popped into this inverted fair value gap, I went ahead and just added again. And that would have been my last. If I would have got stopped out, I would have got stopped out and I would have been done. So had this small scalp, and I was watching ES at the same time. So ES took all these lows. I was actually taking this low at the time, and NQ was a little bit stronger. So I really wanted this low right here, but ES was already taking its out by the time I got down here. So just a small scalp. Then I got this scalp right here, and I was watching a 15-second chart on it. So I got in one time. I really wanted a short down below, so I got in one time on a sell. Got stopped out, and then I'm kind of watching the order flow. Right, we're holding these down close candles, and these inverted fair value gaps are just kind of grinding up. Got that funky looking grind action, plus holding those down close candles. So I got in with 4. So 1, just 3. I added 1. My stop loss on this one was right below this candle's wick. And let me show you my stop loss on these. Stop loss on here was in this upper portion of this. This first trade, I had it a little lower, obviously, because I got stopped out. ES was going, so I didn't want to give it too much of a stop on this one, right? So, anyways, as it popped, and as soon as this candle come down, never mind, we're on a 15-second chart. So this was a 1-minute candle. As soon as it started leaving a wick, I got in. My stop loss on this first trade was bottom portion. Of this down close candle right here, and as you can see, I almost got wicked out on that one. So let's go back to a 15-second chart. So it just started grinding up. I didn't want to give it too much size because of that my first trade, and just kind of being a little bit more conservative, but I was liking the order flow. This fib right here is really just measuring this range right here. Using this low, aiming for the 50%, and I closed out a little bit early. Well, I had my take profit a little bit below, but popped one on there. Once I seen it was holding this, I really started just trailing my stop aggressively, and yeah, nice trade. $1,826 on the day. Here's my performance stats. So right now, 70% win rate. My average win is 247. Here's my profit factor versus my losses. Not too bad. Not too bad. So there's my data so far on this on this account. So anyway, if you like this kind of thing, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bear with me a little bit. I just had to do a reset on my computer. I downloaded Roblox for my kid, and he started acting up, so I was taking it off for punishment, and I interrupted the uninstalling on that, and it made my computer real glitchy. So I had to do a complete wipe on my computer. So I'm kind of getting back in the swing of things. I got to get all my settings right. Hopefully this works. Hopefully you guys can hear me good, and hopefully the quality of this looks good. So anyways, if you like this kind of thing, please like, comment, subscribe. I do like to record it live, but lately just been doing some recap stuff. So anyways, happy trading. If you like the trades, please comment. If you don't like them, let's talk about it. Tell me what you traded today. All right, have a good day.